Hi everyone! Thank you for watching today. In this video, I'll show you an ikebana arrangement that's perfect for Christmas. Hope you enjoyed till the end. For today's arrangement, I'm using bright red dahlias, very pretty roses, kochia, cypress branches, and we also have a special guest today, this little snowman. For Christmas arrangement, you can choose from many kinds of branches. Today I'm going to use cypress branches. I'll be using a single kenzan. Now let's take a good look at the branch. Before you cut, picture the final shape you want and where each cut will be. Turn the branch and look at it from different angles. When you know where to cut, make a slanted cut. Remove any small unwanted twigs so the branch looks clean and elegant. Take your time with this step. Prune slowly and gently. When you're not used to it, you might feel unsure about where to cut. But it's okay to trim the branches the way you like. There isn't only one right answer. What matters most is that you enjoy the process. As you get used to this process, you may notice that your concentration deepens more and more. Being fully absorbed in what's in front of you is a kind of meditation. In a way, it feels almost like Zen. Once you've decided on the branch, be sure to press it into the kenzan using both hands. If you use only one hand, the stem may bend or get damaged more easily. Now let's add the kochia. I'm using 3 stems today. One will be like a little Christmas tree, so I'll pick a branch that stands up nicely. Next, we'll arrange the dahlias. We'll use 2 stems, one placed low and the other higher. Look at both flowers carefully. If one is larger and more impressive, place it lower. This will make the whole arrangement look more balanced and elegant. Also, make sure the blooms never face downward. Always point the flowers upward and arrange them with a positive, uplifting feeling. Next, we'll add more kochia. If there are any extra leaves near the bottom of the stems, clean them up carefully. This not only makes it easier to add other flowers later, but also helps the kochia stay fresh and beautiful for longer. Next, we trim the cypress branches. Arrange them so they surround the flowers. As before, be sure to remove any extra leaves at the base. In Ikebana, we pay attention even the parts that aren't visible. and treat the flowers and plants with respect, honoring the life we are using. Next, let's arrange the roses. Look at these adorable blooms. I'm deciding whether to use 2 or 3 stems, and I'll add them if they fit nicely in the arrangement. I almost forgot. Roses have thorns, so before you start arranging, be sure to remove them like this. You can easily do it with your fingers. Remove any leaves near the bottom of the rose stem. Also, take a good look at the blooms and make sure they face upward as you arrange them. Think about the character of each stem and carefully decide the best angle and position for each before placing them. All done. How does it look? That's it for today's lesson. I hope this video brings happiness and peace to your heart. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. And if you like to be even more healed by the beauty of flowers, please check out my ebook. It's available both English and Japanese, so if you are interested in the Japanese language, be sure to take a look at the Japanese version too. You'll find all the details in the description box below. もっとお花に癒されたいなと思ったら、ぜひ私の電子書籍をご覧ください。日本語版と英語版をご用意しております。概要欄にリンクを貼っておりますので、ぜひご覧ください。Thank you for watching till the end. 最後までご覧いただきありがとうございました。それではまた次回の動画でお会いしましょう。See you next time. Bye!